For us, it's the potential to not only build a platform, the solution there, but also serve as trusted advisors on the consulting side, just knowing ZS's experience in the biopharma space.
For me is really important. Seeing how the field operates at the ground level and how that moves up in terms of data and information and ultimately how that impacts patient outcomes. Operational efficiency is at the center of that. So I think that's what really excites me.
I think the modularity of it is a big plus because it helps you invest in the right platform and grow as your needs evolve. It's a plug and play for most part and also gives you the capability to customize your journey depending on what your business needs are.
It's very easy to scale, and we have seen that to different field teams, personal, non-personal, so the orchestration also helps, and also the complexity too. So we started by more of for next best action, especially with the more business rule driven actions like alerts, but now we have scaled it up to more predictive. So it's very easy to scale based on your needs.
The way that ZAIDYN is able to holistically capture the needs from various groups or teams within the company, that's ultimately valuable because now you could get multiple buy-in from different levels, which will also make things easier when you're trying to have a top-down approach, but also you have the bottom-up buy-in as well.
What ZAIDYN can do for customer engagement, specifically for biopharma, given our unique selling model, that's a game changer. For me, as an emerging pharma practitioner, as a practitioner in the emerging pharma industry, but also, I believe, for big pharma.
I think ZAIDYN's intelligence tool and next best action is a game changer because we'd like to have more precise targeting and deliver the right message at the right time to the right HCPs. And ZAIDYN builds that foundation, the technology that can enable that, so that we can enable our vision to really elevate our customer experience.
I think the ability to automate, especially in the medical realm, is super important. Having disparate data sources and aggregating that and then putting an analytics layer on top of it can sometimes hinder the speed. So that will ultimately benefit the scalability quicker and more comprehensively.